So welcome. In this video, we'll be talking about PHP Math Functions. PHP has a set of math functions that allows you to perform mathematical tasks on numbers. There are a lot of math functions in PHP, and if you visit the PHP URL, the one below your screen right now, or this is the page, you can see there are a lot of PHP math functions that you can use. But I'm just going to touch on a few of them so that you can understand how to use them when you go to the PHP documentation to find more. So let's just check out these few guys. So we'll be working out with these ones. So let's go to our editor. So let's begin. Let's open our PHP tag and close it. I like doing this every time so that you get used to it too. So the first one is pi, and this is how you get pi. Okay, so what we can do is we can echo out the value of pi. So we say echo pi, and let's open in a new tab. And as you can see, this is the value of pi. Okay, so you can use it in your mathematical expression. So if we say something like echo pi times 2, as you can see, the value has changed. The second one is min and max. So to use min and max, basically as a function, let's use brackets here. So we can say min, let's get the minimum value of a series of numbers that we want to pass through. So let's say 0, 20, 50, I'll mix them up, 30, 100, 10, 300. So let's get the minimum value here. And the minimum value is 0 because 0 is the lowest. What if we change 0 to, let's say, 40? So let's reload. And as you can see, the minimum now is 10. What about the maximum? We use max. So I will say max, and the max is now 300. What if we change this 100 to 700? And the max is now 700. It doesn't matter where it is located. The next one is called abs, to get absolute value. So to get an absolute value, you say abs, so minus 590. So absolute value is actually the positive number of any negative number. So it will take out the minus sign and give you the value. That is an absolute value. The next one we want to check out is called round. So round is used to round up your float or your doubles to a positive integer. So if we have 34.98 using round, as you can see, using round we have 35. So 9 is bigger than 5, so he turned it to 1 and added it to 4 to make it 35. On this same value, what if we work with ceil? What does ceil does? Let's reload. So ceil is 35. Ceil takes the next positive high number. So if we make this maybe 34.4, you know it's not up to 5. Let's see what ceil does. Ceil still makes it 35, all right? Which is different from how floor works. So if we do floor on this, floor is going to give us 34. What about 34.5? You see, that is how floor works. So floor works with the lowest number and ceil works with the highest number. And last but not the least, we can work with a random number. So rand, without passing any value to it, it gives us random numbers. So you see, if I reload again, so we have different random numbers on our screen. So basically, guys, these are basic math functions that you can use. And if you want more, visit the PHP manual or documentation. You will get to a page like this, and as you can see, there are so many other math functions that you can try out. I just wanted us to see how they work and how to use them. So guys, I'll see you in the next one.